Good evening, traders. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, communicating from the land of the rising sun. Today is 11th day of August 2024. I want to bring you the weekly video analysis based on advanced method of Elliott Wave theory. This is if this is the first time you are watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. Somebody made a request. Somebody made a request, and I think that's what I have been doing. That I will be making a weekly and daily video. The point is that I cannot be making weekly and daily video every week. No, but once in a while I will do it. Maybe let me try. If time permits me, I will show you all the weekly and daily charts next week. Coming weekend. That's coming Saturday. I'll do that. But for now, there's no need to showing you weekly and daily charts all the time. Meanwhile, I have mentorship program. If you like my style and you want to learn from me, you chat me up. You can see my phone number here. You will also see the number at the bio of this video. You can also see the Telegram handle. And that's all. You can reach me. You pay the 2 money and join my students. And at a request, I do whatever you want. Second request somebody is making is that I will be making timestamp. The truth is that timestamp takes a lot of time because I do it manually. I don't know how to do it automatically. If somebody here knows how to auto timestamp, let the person teach me, show me how I will doing it, because I would be writing down time, and so it takes my time and makes me stressful. So that's why I stopped doing it. So if I have a way of time stamping automatically, I'll be glad to do that. Having said that, let's go into our analysis. Okay, you can see this weekly chart on DSY. This can be our wave A. Then this can be our wave B. Then our wave C or W can be going down. Maybe I have said it long a time ago that you might see 98, 96. So that's what makes sense to me. And after that, we go up. Okay, so I will be showing you daily, weekly and daily, just to show you that on only DSY. What else will be 4 hours, maybe 4 hours and 1 hour. Two or 3 weeks ago, I show you this, that we will likely get this drop. Okay, that we likely get this drop. So it's obvious we are getting it. So now, what do we expect to happen? DSY will at least come down to 99 or 98 before it begin to go up. That is, if it will make an A, B, C. You know, all these forecasts, nobody's 100% sure of what happened in the market, but to forecast based on our experience and what we have seen before. Okay, so now expect an A, B, C. Before that, this A, B, C will happen. So we have gotten this A, this B, this C is what we are now watching to know how it will develop. Okay, so now coming down to 4 hours. Or let me go down to 1 hour to save your time. So coming down to 1 hour, you can see what we have here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is with A or whatever, or with A anyway of a lower move. So now, sometimes correction can truncate and print what you don't expect. So we always prepare for whatever it will give us. So now you can see a white dotted line, a golden dotted line. Either we get this move up before dropping, or it will break this a kind of channel and go down and continue going down. In any case, the point is that I have no plan for buying now. I have no plan for buying now. So if you want to buy, maybe you have your own analysis and the reason to buy. I have no reason to buy this why now. I am only selling it. Okay, so having said that, let's go down to USD card. On USD card, this is my reversal zone. So I expect a further drop. Then I watch out for bullish pattern or bullish setup. For now, it is dropping. If I would have go to daily time frame, maybe next week I'll show you something on daily and weekly time frame. But for now, I want to see the price keep going up from here. This is the invalidation, 1.358 is the stop loss. So with that intact, I think we are still going up. There's something I will show you on weekly and daily next week is that we still have room for a big chance for going down. So, but now let's focus on 1 hour and daily, which is a little move down, then we go up again. Okay, USD chef, it is selling, but here is the reversal zone. We may not get up to this level. We may not get up to this level. We may get a kind of, let me check something. We may get, it may reverse at this very point, okay? Meanwhile, you will get this type of move, then it go up again before dropping. So what I'm trying to say is that whatever you are doing, your stop loss should be here. There should be a stop loss, 0.86 or 888, something like that. Before stop loss will be here. Then expect it to drop again, whether it drop from here or from here. I don't know how it will happen, but it is still selling. Okay, so that's for USD chef. Euro USD, we have last week I was looking for it to go up from here, but it seems it will drop before buying. So I'm watching for it to drop here. When market opens, I will close my trade on break even. Unless market opened and I see maybe such a gap or a big sharp move, then I will leave it. But if market opens and the market is still at this place, I will close it and watch out for this drop because it seems this drop will happen. Then if this drop happens, it doesn't happen, I find a way to join bullish move again. But I'm expecting this to happen. A, B, C, which is W. Something like this can be an X, then Y, whatever you label it. But I expect it to drop further. Pounds USD. Pounds USD, I don't expect it to drop below 1.266. We may get a drop like this, something like this, and keep going up. So I don't expect it to give me a new low. But on Euro USD, I expect a new low. On Pounds USD, I don't. I see this one as wave one. So what wave two will happen anywhere. Maybe it have even happened here. So you may see buying from here. Whichever way, I have no reason to sell on Pounds USD. AUD USD. Let me show you 4 hours. I have no reason to sell AUD USD again. I'm looking for a drop. How deep it will be, I don't know, but I'm looking for it to drop to this zone. Then I will buy. If it doesn't drop to this zone, I'll look out for buying on 1 hour or 15 minutes time frame to get a nice price to buy. Okay. Using the USD. Using USD, same thing. I expect it to drop towards this 0.59594, 0.592, or thereabout to continue bullish move. So nothing to explain further on it. JP225, the market is selling. We have two, just show you one. I think one will be better. So we have two reversal zones here. It have reached a reversal zone, but there's no 100% guarantee it will reverse from here. We may get a little move down, another move up. Why am I showing you this? You may see it selling and you will be celebrating that it is selling. You open your chart next 2 or 3 hours, you see it here. So don't be surprised. Here is the invalidation. 39,000 is the invalidation. Okay, as long as here is intact, it will still drop. Okay, that's all I can show you on JP225. JPY, the same similar situation. I'm still looking for it to keep dropping. So, but before then, I would like to see it come up to 163.2, 165.1 or thereabout before the selling continues. That doesn't mean that it will not start selling from here. If it keeps selling from here, I will go down to 15 minutes to find a way to join sellers. Okay, so that's for your JPY. USD same thing, all the yen pairs are selling. But the question is, where do you enter and how do you enter to enter at a good price? That's what you need to learn when you join our class, because opening order is not a problem. The problem is, where do I open the order? At what price? Where do I exit? Where do I put my stop loss? Okay, so now waiting for this to go up, then we find our entry. Pounds JPY, the same situation. Let it give us a reason to sell. It may not come up to this place, but I will not just enter selling from here because there is room that it will still go a little higher. Even not up to here, maybe what we call order block may play out. Let me show you, for those who don't know order block, we have an order block here. Maybe it will go to the order block and begin to sell. Okay, so that's what we'll be watching out for. Gold is buying, but I have a second thought. If you watch this very pair, you can see that there's possibility of this being an A, B, C to give us another either A, B, C or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have an A, B, C. It means this can be with W, this can be with X. Then we get with Y. Okay, so is either it is buying from here. Second, another thing is that this can be with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is with 1. Then we will get an A, B, C as with 2, and it will keep going up. So these two counts are valid. So whichever one is, if you're following me, you must have bought gold around here. My gold is in profit and is now at break even because of this very reason I show you now. I put it on break even in case if it goes down, then I will wait for it to finish to buy again, or I may sell it if I get a nice setup. I may sell it with a little lot size. I said it before. If you are trading against the trend, trade with a little stop loss, so little lot size, so that you don't lose much. If market decide to truncate and continue with the trend. So we have two things on the radar, whether it will go up from here or it will make a double correction before buying. It's not left for the market to decide, not me that we decide. So let's go to silver. Silver is, I like silver structure more than gold structure. Let me show you 4 hours. Silver just made a kind of clear WXY. So I don't see any reason for it to begin to go down again. So that's why I say I like silver more than gold right now. So to me, silver has given us a wave one. You can see one. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like an A, B, C. Though it may go down a little more, but here is stop loss. So silver is buying. I don't have any other option of silver selling. It may sell because I don't control the market. I only analyze. But if it is selling, I will not sell. I'm only interested in buying silver right now. Okay, so that's for silver. Platinum is like gold, giving us two reasons. This can be either you may be having you may be having 1 A, B, C, 2, 3, 4, then 5. It will give us a new low. Then secondly, this might be what we call leading diagonal. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A, B, C. You begin to buy. So whichever one it is playing out, time will tell. Not me, but time. If it goes down before buying, I will like it because I will buy at a better price. If it keeps going up, I will still buy, but somewhere above this level. Okay, so that's for platinum. The next is oil, US oil. Oil, last week, I sold oil from here. I sold oil from here, expect it to go down. It keeps going up. So that's why I always say nobody controls the market. So nevertheless, my stop loss is here. If it keeps going up from here, then it will hit my stop loss. Meanwhile, not a must, I will leave it to hit. If I see a reason that shows that it will keep going up, I will close it and I will know how to close it. I want to close it to minimize my loss. The loss is still little because I just sold at a reversal point here. I didn't sell from here or from here. So whatever is happening, the loss is still small, but I think it's gonna go down when market opens because if we look at, you can see wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, which is a typical of wave C. Though if you go over to 15 minutes, you can see that there is chances for extension. But that doesn't bother me anyway. US 30 is still going down. Sorry, Nasdaq US 100 is still going down. I don't have reason to buy it right now. Though if you bought it at a reversal zone, you must have made some profit. I suggest you move your stop loss to break even because in my own calculation, once price enters 18,850 to 19,300, it will begin to drop again. Then here will be our stop loss. Here will be a stop loss for the selling. Okay. So that's for US 100. Let's go to US 30. Sorry, S&P 500. S&P 500, I expect it to drop further. Let me go down to 1 hour. I expect it to drop further. When price comes to 5,411 and 5,500 zone, it's going to drop again because it is typical of A, B, C. So unless something changes, maybe market opens and we see a very sharp candle that did something like this, then it's obvious that it's no longer a correction. It is now a bullish. Okay, so that's for S&P 500. US 30. I can see it's making a correction. A, B, C, which is almost at the reversal zone. I want to see it enter this zone, 39,640 to 40,095 for me to sell again. Right now, I don't have to sell until I see reason to sell. But buying it, I don't see any reason to buy it at all this time around. German stock index, DAX. German stock index, DAX, I made a kind of surprise. If you're watching my weekly video, you will notice that I draw a line here, something like this. And I wanted to see a reversal zone here. It didn't reverse, it kept dropping. Okay, this is one of the reasons I say that the market is at reversal zone, it's not a must, it will reverse. You can see it reversed here, though 90% of the time it will reverse, not guaranteed. Because if you are trading it blindly, that it will reverse from here, you see that your stop loss will hit. That is to say, if your stop loss is tight, meanwhile, here is the recommended stop loss anyway. But you can see from here to here, it is very far. You need to have a solid money management before here will be a stop loss, and it makes sense. Because here seems to be the stop loss. That time, it is so tight like this. So now, because of this big drop, I expect it to make an ABC drop again. Either drop even further, or maybe go up and drop again to give us a WXYXZ. So, or maybe ABC, bigger WXY. So whichever, it seems that it will continue to sell, at least for now. So that's for DAX. I think that is the last thing we are analyzing. Okay, let me put a kind of bonus. DJI, Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. I don't normally cover it all the time, but I can see a clear ABC in the making. So between 39,700 to 40,100, you're gonna see another selling of Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. Okay, so let me go to cryptos. This video, I would be making another video today. Let me just cover cryptos, a few of it. Bitcoin, I'm a wave analyst. Whatever people are saying doesn't concern me. I only talk about what I see, counting my waves. Okay. If you are in various groups, we hear something like Bitcoin is going down to 40,000 to this and this and this and this. It doesn't matter to me. If it's going down to 40,000 or 30,000, I will see it and I will sell and I will make profit. Simple. But right now, I don't see Bitcoin going down to even 50,000, not talk of 30 or 40,000. It can happen, but I don't see it. The only way I begin to consider it is when market opens, or if the coin doesn't close. When we get a sharp drop like this, maybe from here I see sharp drop like this, then I may think that it will go down below 50. But for now, I can only say that this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, A, B, C, wave 4, wave 5. After that, another A, B, C. Then we get a very sharp move. This is what I see. This is what my chart is showing me. Whatever people are saying about price dropping to whatever they are talking about, I don't care. I'm not interested. If it happens, good luck to them. But I don't see it happening. I don't see it happening. Though, as I used to say all the time, I don't control the market. I'm only making a forecast. So this is I bought Bitcoin around here. I'll buy again around here. So that's my take on Bitcoin. Do your own research, do your own analysis. I'm responsible for my analysis. You are responsible for your trade. I make losses as well. If you're trading with my style, know that I make losses. So don't blame me when you make a loss, because I equally make loss. Though by the grace of God, I know that 8% of the time I'm profitable. My losses are small and not all the time. Okay, let's take Ethereum. You can see that they are all giving us something similar. You can see this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe A, B, C, then up again. So I can see only buying on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's take BNB. So Litecoin, the same situation. Litecoin, this is where I wanted to buy Litecoin again. It couldn't get this to this. It couldn't get this lower. So maybe maybe it will. I don't want to go into details of counting, so let me leave it like this for now. But Litecoin will likely drop a little bit before buying again. I don't want to discount now. I don't have the time now. We'll have time. I will change the account if need be to change it. Okay, so that's for Litecoin. BNB. You can see we have a very nice bullish move. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 5 give us another fifth wave. So maybe N, B, C. Maybe you may see 500, you may see 490, you may see 480, but the market is bullish. That's the only thing I can tell you. The market is bullish. So whatever is happening is still bullish. Market doesn't go in a straight line. It will always go up, down, up, down, up, down, but you know where it is going. Okay, I think that's the end of our analysis. If you have any question, okay, SRP is another trade I like to trade. SRP, let me try to do something on SRP. SRP, you like to trade SRP to buy it if it can go lower. If it can come to this zone, 0.52, 0.50, I would like to buy it, but I doubt if it drops to this zone. In any case, we also have 5 waves impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what we call a truncation. For those who don't know, that's what we call truncation. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. The truncation, then A, B, C is what another thing we are expecting before buying again. Okay, thank you for watching. Go to the bio of this video. You will see links. They are linked to my Telegram channel. 2 of them, they are free. You join free, but don't post any link there. If you post any link, I kick you out. You also see link to open account on Bybit, on Binance, Okex, and all of them. You also see my phone number for those who need mentorship. You will contact me with the phone number you see there. The number is on Telegram and on WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and God bless you.